Welcome, this is Stephanie and Goose from Growing from the Woodpile. He actually has a sunflower head. Yeah. But today, we're not taking Goose's sunflower head. He thinks I'm going to take it from him, and then he going to run away. Can I just pet you? See, I just pet you. Yeah. Yeah. You got a little sunflower head. Yeah. Anyways, today we're going to be talking GreenStalk. I really thought that putting not only the topper on, but the paint strainer, that they wouldn't get clogged. But something's going on. Let me see here. How can I make the water go on? Okay. Alright. So, water goes in, and maybe it was this one that was clogged. I think it was this one that's clogged. Also, it's probably a good time to see. I think I need to turn it down to 2 minutes. Look it. While we're waiting, these little baby green onions came up. Here and here. So, alright, he's almost filled. And this is another thing. This one fills the first before this one. And the timer is at 1 minute. Well, look at this opal basil while we're at it. No, this is Thai basil. This is the opal basil. This one, almost like it's flooding. Yeah, I don't know if you can see in there, not just dripping. Okay, so see, now there's standing water here. Full of water. This one's full of water. So, I don't know if something's clogged. Why these get so much water. If I get better in the sun. See how it's completely full of water. I don't know what that means. Oh, my son's gonna come out and help me lift him off. I don't know if that means the bottom ones are clogged, the top ones are clogged. I don't know. But while we're waiting for him, I'll give you a little bit of tour of what's going on here. Got some opal basil right here. Got some opal basil right here. They look kind of funny because I trimmed them up because I wanted to get in here and plant things. So I trimmed a bunch of it off, and now it's like this big long wing. I'm only leaving them for the bees right now. Look how pretty that is. There we go. Still in the sun. That's green and purple all in the same plant. Yeah. See, now it's flooding over to the next one. Tell me, somebody, what does that mean? Alright, these are beets. I've been turning them into more like soups. What did I have the other day? Curry. Cut them up and put them in curry. They're kind of strong because they go over the summer months. And so they're bitter. And they got some marigolds right here. Some things I planted down there. Now, see, this one is draining just fine. So I feel like now this one's getting too much water. So does that mean the lower ones are clogged or the upper ones are clogged? I don't know. Alright, we're gonna pick this up. We're gonna put it over there. So straight up. Okay, this one's fine. Alright, pick it up. Why does it overflow then? Okay, got it all disassembled, and I'm not really seeing a reason. I mean, I see sunlight through all the holes. I mean, there's one plug right there. You don't understand. Making sure that as I put them back on, these little dots are lined up. So this one has more space underneath it, which I think would be a good thing. I didn't undo the bottom one. Do you think the bottom one's clogged? Oh, my son left. Let's see how I didn't get these transplants all the way in right here. So this was one that was starting to, like, you see sunlight in those. This one has wiggle room. This one has wiggle room. And I see sunlight. That's the top one. This is the only one I didn't move is the bottom one. Which, I don't know. Yeah. So, I guess I'll need to see if the bottom one's plugged. It doesn't make any sense to me. I think I might have to reach out to GreenStalk. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to have my other son, help me move the very last one. And we'll see if that one's clogged. It's like shooting them all up. And how GreenStalk actually works. I know there's a video on it, how the water goes down between all the tiers. Pour it in the top. And I guess I would assume it fills and then goes to the next one. Fills, goes down to the next one. Fills, go down to the next one. So I don't understand why the middle ones are backing up. Okay, that's it for now. Good morning. Finishing up the GreenStalk unclogging video. I don't know if I have made progress or not. I did take it all apart as you saw in the previous video and stuck it back together. It's still flooding out in these sections here. I tried to stick a bamboo stick. I did check the middle before I put them on to make sure they weren't clogged. And I'm trying to stick this bamboo stick all the way down. And I get, I think, down 4 layers before I can't go anymore. Oh, I really did have it going down there. But now seem to can't. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. So we're down probably 4 layers. and it's not clogged. So I did reach out to GreenStalk, and they did answer back. I told them I checked the gray trays, I checked the middle one, and so then they said to take a toothpick and, I don't, I don't like that option. They said to stick it in the holes in the bottom of this. That means I'd have to take it apart again. I don't like that option because my hand has to go all the way into here and fill it. That is the hole. I would have to take the whole thing apart again. And it's not easy. I have to have my sons do it. They're too heavy, especially when they're wet. I'd have to dry them out, and I got plants in them. So it's just strange because I haven't had this problem, and I've had the same soil. I've kept it hydrated, kept plants in it. I don't understand why it is clogged now. So I'm just going to I'm going to turn it down to 2 minutes. These ones are definitely wetter than these ones, but these ones are still wet, the bottom ones. So I'm just gonna let it be. I think I'm gonna turn it down to 2 minutes instead of 3 minutes because I do have it on the timer. But that's all I got. An update that's not quite a solution. Well, thank you for being here today and learning and growing with the Woodpile.